How to remove background noise in Voloco. Tired of background noise messing up your vocals? Let's remove it. Clean voice, pro level sound. Tap the purple icon and head to the home screen. Now hit the plus button at bottom center to start a new project. Choose record audio, then either select a beat or go no beat for a clean recording. Tap the mic icon or red button to start. Try it record in a quiet space for best result. But don't worry, Voloco has built-in tools to help clean up noise too. After recording, swipe through presets like plain, modern rap, hard, or podcast. These are specially tuned to reduce background noise while enhancing your voice. Just tap to apply and preview how much cleaner it sounds. In some version, you can tap settings or slider to adjust things like reverb, compression, EQ. Once you are happy with the clarity, tap the arrow button. Then save or publish your track. And that's it. Background noise gone. Your voice is crisp, clean, and ready to shine. If this helped clean up your sound, smash the like button, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more fast music tips. Catch you in the next one.